So then from our compassionate core, then we also have parts. So parts are different interior movements or parts of ourselves within us that are basically sub-personalities. We can think of them as different people in some sense. And so this comes from internal family systems therapy again, and the multiplicity of mind. So we have part of us that wants to go to the store and get groceries, but part of us is feeling lazy and wants to stay home. Part of me wants to go out and hang out with friends. And another part of me wants to read a good book or really study for this racial resilience program that I love so much. And so I don't want to hang out with my friends. I want to study for this. So we have these different parts of ourselves. It's the intuitive language that we use to talk about our interior movements. And so we understand these parts as coming in 5 different categories, basically. So we have emotions. So, you know, fear, anger, lust, jealousy, despair, glee, happiness, that these are all different parts of ourselves. Then in addition to emotions, you have internal monologues and inner voices. So voices of self-criticism, of judgment, perfectionism. Oh, why did I say that? Oh, Seth, you're so stupid. Why did you say that sort of thing? You know, you look like an idiot. So we have that inner critique sometimes that can be very judgmental. We also have behavioral impulses and desires to work, behavioral impulses and desires, one of which is to work, have sex, to veg out, to surf the internet, these sorts of aspects of ourselves. Then we have images, daydreams, and fantasies. So daydreaming about a vacation while at work, or maybe getting revenge on someone can be a fantasy that we have. Or bodily sensations, that we feel it physically in some part of our body. So a dread in the pit of our stomach, especially, you know, when going to meet your boss or someone that you are not wanting to talk with. We have a heartache when we think of a lost loved one, or we have a pain in our neck when considering the bills that have to be paid or all of the tasks we need to get done. And so these different aspects, categories of parts are all parts that we can interact with.